Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to change Hoyoverse email without verification. So first thing you have to do is just go to your Hoyoverse account, and from here just have to go to the personal information. So just tap on that. And from here, since you want to change the email, just click on the change email. And here just tap on this use another verification method. So tap on that. And since you cannot provide the verification using your email, you just have to tap on the SMS verification. And in this section, you just have to tap on the send to send the verification code to your SMS. So just tap on send and then just select this in order. Then tap on OK. And now just wait for the verification code. So once it is sent to your phone or SMS, just type in the code like so. And then once done, tap on next. And here you go. You can finally change your email. So from here, you can type in the email that you have an access to. So you really have to make sure that in that new email you have an access so that you can type in the verification code. And once done, you just have to confirm. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!